girl did straight before, you know. And then this girl go lean up, you know. I know she gone back straight, you know. But what up, TOJ Nation? It's your girl Tiny here, and I am back. More back at it again with another banger. So, yeah, another episode. Another episode. Today, I'm not the killer climb. We'll continue on the Bree story. But this time, no, I'm not telling you who. Bree and who. But I just want to stick and stay to find out that Bree and who. Because, remember, it says a YouTube entanglement. Yeah? YouTube entanglement. Remember, so if you like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Because I know it's another episode at TOJ Nation. Yes. Remember, people. Oh, and turn on the bell to be notified anytime I drop another banger. Because you know I'll be a banger over here, so. Be a banger. When we finish that video, I'm probably do a next Killer Clan episode. But me, I'm going to breathe. So you can see we'll find out a breathe. Oh. So, without further ado, now let's run straight tonight. So, YouTube. We know that we're on this TOJ Nation. Bree and who? But a Bree and Alaska. Yes. The Bree want to think straight and all these things. Remember, somebody want video say Bree and Daniel there, you know. But this is before she and Daniel they back. Look at them entanglement here. Them look at them some here. But I'm more juice to me, so no continue. Anyways, Bree and Alaska and Bree. Anyway, don't want to put it. Yes. Remember, said this girl did straight before, you know. And then this girl go lean up, you know. I know she gone back straight, you know. Because lean up, I come to talk about it. So, this girl, her name Bree, from Bree and Sean. You might know her. Or from Bree and Daniel, like come in the last episode. You don't mind to cut them out, because they never war. Anyways, so, remember say this girl left Daniel, you know. So before them they back. She left Daniel. And when she left Daniel, you don't mind me a fan. Can't bother go turn on the fan, yeah. So she and Daniel, from Daniel Lou, left. And she just say, oh, enough. I got 2 words. Jesus. She and Daniel left. And call it say 2 months after she and him left. 1 month. Around that time frame there. She and him left. She say Alaska, which is half girl, half man. And she see her and she see her nice snap them and she say, yeah, she take a picture, take some nice picture and she put in everything and But I'm telling about them YouTube entanglement here. Them look up me here, them don't know what them want. Say, yeah, people, them don't know what them want. Them still a grow up, them not grow up yet. You know like the new haircut? The new haircut? Me love it. Me love it right through. Anyways, I'm telling you, them pitney here, them YouTube entanglement here, they don't know what to do with them life. You hear me? I'm telling you? Them still a grow up and them not done grow up yet. Yeah, them not done grow up yet. Them not reach nowhere in a life. But not just nobody, as I said before. We just come for going to the school. So, she and Daniel left. So she say, last one, she like her last one. So, I think so she jump in the DM. She just dive right in the DM. She no consult. She no, yeah, she no think. She just say, alright. That girl, yeah. she do that, before she tell us that she like her, she said she'd run some joke, some little gay joke. Some little gay joke. So yeah, people. At first, Laska said, me never know you was the gay type of person. Cap. She never know she was the gay type of person. So she found when she texts her and I run them joke there. But them not talk the joke. Alright? Anyways, so she never knows that she did turn them way there, you understand? And them say them not put them business out there at first, them not try to keep it under the sheets. Quote unquote. That's what Laska said. And Bria said she's shy, she never did want to them something there. And Laska tell her I said no officer shy about and whatever. Anyways, then Laska got turn and say she's not my type at first. Remember, I tell you in my last video say I'm gonna do Taylor Klein and Alaska. So Alaska said she don't do slim girls. She do thick girls with thick thighs and big ass. So if you don't look for Brie, only know Brie is not Alaska's type. X wrong. But she said she want to give it a shot. So she gives it a shot. So people, them say them never really want to put it out there yet, because them never sure. But them just take the risk and do it. And them a risk taker. Talk now? The girl them a risk taker. Risk taker. For those who do entrepreneurship, you know, you about risk taker or not do the course. Anyways, so let's go and say she think a prank. Cause she know she a YouTuber that a Brie, she know Brie a YouTuber. So when Brie jump in her DM, she think it's a prank, so she like her. So Brie said no prank. Me not gonna go tell no girl something just like them so. Yeah, YouTuber me that is the same thing too. Anyways, someone said I'm gonna drop some picture on the Instagram. But I'm never put nobody see it. Me I want to go over there go see the video, the pictures them. I soon go over there go fast. Me. Can you know I have to go to the school? Yeah, I have to. I have nothing against Brie, but in my eyes she's not pretty. In my eyes she's not. But in Laska's eye, Laska says she's beautiful, so we are go with that. So people, them say them not business what people think about them. But me and you know say Brie business, yeah? Brie business. Laska man of business cause Laska the type of gangster type of lesbian. But me and you know say Brie business. But just a act. So anyways. So them say them not business what nobody think. Cause them live their best life. I want to know. The generation I want to know, can I live them best life? Yep. Anyways, so now she has said that's gonna say Brie constantly I text her. So she realized that I'm a prank. Cause she said she could not draw the prank so long. So after she just, you know, dive in and say, alright, let's make this official. Then them say, alright, I'm gonna bring it to YouTube. To make the world see. Leave the girl them alone. Anyways, them want to create YouTube channel. But that look like that never come into existence. That never come into existence. Them end up go left. I'm not reach left him part yet. You get me? Them might consider if them play the channel Laska and Brie or Brie and Laska. But only think, just comment in the comment section for me now, cause boy, they make my skin scratch me. God no. What is happening to this generation? Like what happened? Then them gone to who for prank them a go make who commit suicide and who them a go say Team Lasco or Team Bree and who for prank a go make who Paul and like it never come into existence. Like boy please a team man. No sir. And they can't send look no, I don't really wanna run fast. But send look a breeze man we play school down. God. Anyways. So she hug her up and she going with herself. Till at one point them go. They meet up with Zelia to do one video. They might do one prank on Zelia. So no, I lie. Lie me. Lie me I tell you. Zelia prank she. Not a Bree, you know. Zelia prank Bree. And Zelia must go say, I'm my woman, cause Lasco did kinda like Zelia, you know, them they do want something to start. But me I save that for our next episode. So anyways, it look like Lasco did still have a look of thing with Zelia. So Zelia must go say Lasco my woman someone another to trigger Bree. Bree go say I'm my woman and she want the girl want fight you know? The girl come right out and want fight. Right out and a fight over woman you know? You better than fight over man but don't fight over nobody. The girl come out and want fight Zelia. They pan a my woman and she one she gone buff your woman. But them no last. Them no last at all 2 video alone must be do and then them left. Them left. Left right through. Good left ladies. But I don't need to talk about cause them no last. Yeah, you know that never that go last cause Lasco you don't talk so she not your type. Why? Nobody. Lasco one girl like me with the thick thighs and the big ass. See that? Broad body. Yeah. Lasco one girl like me, but me not in a girls. I like man with long dick. Yeah, not really too long. Yeah, but I like man. I'm on my thing there. Right through. But I don't bash nobody will want from gay, trans, or bi. But know what you want first. Know what you want first. Nobody run around the place like a bag of liquor pieces. It don't look good. It don't look. But tell to talk to the young girls. You know, may I try help you out here. You know? Consider me as a big sister. Because I know I'm bigger than Lasco. I'm bigger than Bree. I'm bigger than Kayla Slime. May I try help you know? So if it's a girl don't like stick to the girl, I don't have a problem with that. Just not bring it around me or who no know and I like them something there. You get what me I try to say? Yeah, if you don't like guys, stick to guys. When I run around the place like a bag of Lego bees, it don't look good. It don't look good. It don't. Come see woman there with woman are happy and everything and live them best life. So I not argue with that. See man there with man and them live them best life. So I can't argue with that. I say man and woman live good and but choose one man and make sure someone choose the right decision. So that was the end of this video. TOJ Nation. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Stick and stay for another episode of YouTube Entanglement. Bye bye.